everyone, it's Mel with Quilting Room with Mel, and today I'm going to show you a planner that my friend Becky Jorgensen from Patchwork Posse sent over to me. It's great for quilters. So let me show you what I got in the mail when I got it. I got a cute little thank you note. It tells a little bit about what she's doing this year. And I got a free pattern for a little baby quilt. And the directions are on the back of the card. But the real goodie is the Patchwork planner. So it's got real cute quilt blocks on the front. I've got a place for me to fill in my information. Some cute little clip art down here that I can color. I can plan out a whole entire year right here in the first 2 pages, and then it's broke down monthly, so I can fill in all my projects, put my notes down, all my information I need, to-do list, all that great stuff. And that's for every month you get these pages, so you can really keep track of everything. An orphan project tracker, a UFO tracker, we all need to keep track of that. And then we go on to the next month. And then at the back of the calendar, here we go. We have our quilt alongs. We can keep track of them. You know, what group we're with, all that good stuff. Our swaps, which are quite popular. Keep track of when you need to mail it, who your partner is, what the requirements are, all that right here in your planner. Your quilt shows, to make sure that when you ship a quilt off for a show, you have everything taken care of. You know when to ship it. A handy reference guide of what size a quilt needs to be. Your pre-cut sizes. Contacts for your quilt shops. Your long armors. Your quilty friends, where you take your machine to be serviced. Your quilt sites and passwords. You can keep track of where you've donated quilts, who you've given quilts to, keep track of notes and ideas for gifts, and then your finish. You can keep track of all your finishes for 2018. And then there's some great graph paper at the end, so you can plan out your own quilt, note pages so you can journal, and then of course a little bit about Becky at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this planner. For more information, please check out the links that are in the description. It will get you over to Becky's site so you can order your own. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.